Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
So now we are going to read Unit 2 from the Marigold book of class 3rd. And the poem name is Bird Talk. Let us sing.
Things at the robin, things at the chair, sitting in the garden, talking all day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things at the robin, things at the chair. Aren't people happy to be that way? To be that way, to be that way.
The poet of this poem is Ellen Fisher. New words.
New words.
Beetles.
Beetles.
Sitting.
Sitting.
Wires.
Wires.
Funny.
Funny.
Reading is fun.
Reading is fun.
Name the two birds
Name the two words
in the poem.
in the poem.
What are the three things
What are the three things
that people can't do?
that people can't do?
What do birds think of people?
What do birds think of people?
Talk time.
Talk time.
Imagine
Imagine
what two elephants would say
what two elephants would say
to each other
to each other
about people.
about people.
Let them talk about
Let them talk about
what people look like,
what people look like,
what they eat,
what they eat,
how they walk.
how they walk.
You can say,
You can say,
look at that man's nose,
look at that man's nose.
see how small it is.
See how small it is.
Let's find two things
Let's find two things
which you can do
which you can do
and the birds can't do.
and the birds can't do.
Tell the class.
Tell the class.
Team time.
Teen time.
Activity.
Activity.
Let's make finger puppets.
Let's make finger puppets.
Draw your favorite bird
Draw your favorite bird
on a sheet of paper.
on a sheet of paper.
Cut and color it.
Cut and color it.
Take a strip of cloth
Take a strip of cloth
or paper.
or paper.
Paste the picture
Paste the picture
of the bird
of the bird
you have drawn on it.
you have drawn on it.
Tie the two ends of the strip.
Tie the two ends of the strip.
Fix it on your fingers.
Fix it on your fingers.
Your finger puppet is ready to talk.
Your finger puppet is ready to talk.
Let your puppet
Let your puppet
fly along with your friend's puppet.
fly along with your friend's puppets.
Let's write.
Let's write.
Listen to the sounds of the birds.
Listen to the sounds of the birds.
Make a list of these words.
Make a list of these words.
For example,
For example,
chirp,
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 chirp.
chirp.
Now write 4 sentences
Now write 4 sentences
on birds
on birds
using the following words.
using the following words:
Nest,
nest,
water,
water,
chirp,
chirp,
fly,
fly,
sky,
sky,
wings.
rings.
Write words that rhyme with
Write words that rhyme with
the words given below.
the words given below.
The first one has been done for you.
The first one has been done for you.
Grow,
Grow,
know,
know,
throw,
throw,
day,
day,
bay,
bay,
think,
think,
funny,
funny,
eat,
eat,
sing,
sing,
say aloud,
say aloud,
think,
think,
this,
this,
ten,
tell,
thin,
think,
that,
that,
top,
top,
three,
three,
though,
though,
tank.
tank.